Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. So the project title name is Smart Irrigation System, IoT-based smart irrigation system based on soil fertility and moisture sensor, or IoT-based smart agricultural monitoring system. Power supply, Arduino Uno R3, LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, humidity sensor connected to A1, soil moisture sensor connected to the A2, and the GPRS modem GSM SIM 800C. Those are connected with 0 and 1. RX TX 0 and 1, 16x2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 8 9 10 11 12 13 GPIO pin number, relay connected to the 7th pin, pump AC pump, alarm connected to the 6th pin. So this is our total block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware part, and this is our IoT web page, pump, temperature sensor, and humidity sensor, and soil moisture sensor. And here whenever we press, it will show you the log data. Okay, so like temperature data, temperature, humidity, moisture, and the date and time. Then go to like temperature, field, motor, pump, over temperature. So we got everything. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and AC pump power supply must and should connect it into the water only. Okay, so now first, whatever, here we are using GSM SIM 800C. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance, GSM SIM 800C. Okay, the always cut should be outside micro SIM card. Okay, not nano, micro SIM card. So cut should be always outside. Press it, it will go inside, and press it, it will come outside. Okay, GSM SIM 800C GPRS modem, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Okay, so here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 8 9 10 11 12 13 connected to the 16x2 LC display, A0 temperature sensor connected to the A0, humidity sensor connected to the A1, and moisture sensor connected to the A2, and here 5 volts connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino board. 16x2 LC display connect, already said, 8 9 10 11 12 13, and relay coil connected to the 7th pin, and just beep sound purpose 6th pin relay, and it's connected to the AC motor. Okay, so first of all, we are giving the power supply, smart irrigation system based on soil fertility and moisture sensor, monitoring with the smart farming using IoT technology. So it will check the SIM card, GPRS SIM card, GSM connected, echo, finding network, network found, test message, AT plus CG ATT, GPRS start, GPRS 1, GPRS main. Just now I logged in your site. Okay, main page. So T for temperature, H for humidity, M for moisture, temperature, humidity, moisture. Temperature 45 and above, SMS alert, email alert, sending the data to server. Humidity 45 and above, temperature, SMS alert, email alert. Moisture 200 below, 200 below means there is no moisture, it will send the SMS alert and email alert. 200 above, moisture detected, it will send the data to server. Okay, so one by one, there is no moisture at the field, sending. Okay, so it will tell you there is no moisture at field. So whatever the previous value, your temperature, your humidity, temperature, so sending. Now it will go to SMS alert, field data dry, motor on, field data dry, motor on. So relay also trip. Okay, green LED on. Okay, sending, yeah, field data dry, motor on, 441, 1641 time 1641. So now it is sending the data, so it will send the data to server. So there is no field at water, pump on, it is automatically on. You can off through server also, manually on, manually off. So kit will on, kit will off. Ping to server, web link success, action completed. Must ensure internet be there into the SIM card. Okay, get the data, data okay, motor on. So here motor on, it will show you motor on. So here also motor on. Now I will go to the temperature sensing. Okay, wait, I will. Okay, I am taking the doop stick. I am increasing the temperature of the irrigation field temperature monitoring, not motor. Now it will send the data. Every 10 counts, it will send the data to server. Wait for 1 minute. Motor is on. Okay, motor is also on. Get the data, data okay, motor on. Now I am increasing the temperature using tube stick. Temperature 45 and above, 48. Next time it will come. Yeah, temperature 45 above, 49. Okay, now it will change and temperature data will change. Okay, pump is also on, green LED on. Send completed. It will change temperature data. Okay, yeah, 49. Now we will get the SMS alert here. Okay, temperature alert, temperature alert. Okay, so we will get the over temperature 40.49.40. Okay, now I will increase the humidity. Through my mouth I increased the humidity. Okay, for a field humidity detection. Yeah, humidity 45 and above, temperature 45 and above, and humidity 45 and above. Okay, go to website. Okay, temperature, humidity. Okay, we will check the humidity. Yeah, humidity, temperature decreased. Okay, we will get the email alert also, but it is going to student number. Humidity alert, we will get the humidity alert. So now I am going to closure loop. Okay, closure loop the circuit means I am digging the water. Okay, so inserting the water. This sensor should be insert onto the water. Okay, dry condition, now it is going to wet condition. So every 10 counts it will send the data to server, previous values. Okay, pin to website. So soil detector, pin to website, get the data, okay. Now it is motor on condition. We will go for the motor off condition. Okay, so now I am going to continuous closure loop the circuit. Okay, 250, fifth count. After fifth count only it will check the data. Okay, 2 LED should be on. Okay, after fifth count it will go for the moisture detected. Yes, moisture detected, sending data, send completed. This is checking for the water detection for every 5 counts. So temperature detection, humidity detection, moisture detection, relay, pump. Okay, sent okay. Okay, so moisture detected, sent okay, and we will get the one SMS alert. Moisture detected. Okay, relay off, motor off, field at wet condition, motor off. We will get one SMS alert. Okay, yeah, field at wet condition, motor off, and go to server. So here it will off. Send completed, action, send okay. Yeah, automatic off. Now power supply board, GPRS modem, Arduino Uno R3 board, relay coil, pump, 16 cross 2 LC display, LM35 temperature sensor, soil moisture sensor, humidity sensor, and this is our hardware kit.